Are you ready for a powerful shift? November 1st isn't just any day. This All Saints' Day brings a new moon in Scorpio, setting the stage for profound transformation. We're stepping into an alignment of cosmic energy that can spark immense changes on a personal and spiritual level. The veil between the seen and unseen is thin, making this the perfect time to tune into our intuition, confront hidden truths, and dive deep into self-reflection. Trust me, this new moon has the potential to open a gateway you won't want to miss. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Power of Thought. Today, I'm thrilled to explore the unique and powerful energies converging on November 1st. This new moon in Scorpio aligns with All Saints' Day, a day historically rich in spiritual significance and ancestral connection. In this video, we'll discuss the psycho-astrological influences of Scorpio's energy and how to channel this transformative energy to release old patterns, uncover hidden truths, and open ourselves to new beginnings. The Scorpio new moon is a profound time to dig into our own depths, embrace rebirth, and connect with our intuition. This November 1st is special, not only for the new moon, but for its alignment with All Saints' Day and the powerful numerology of 11, a master number that amplifies spiritual connection. Whether you're interested in astrology, spirituality, or personal growth, this energy is calling us all to take a closer look at who we are and what we need to release to grow. Let's begin with November 1st itself. Traditionally, this day is celebrated as All Saints' Day, a time to honor loved ones and ancestors who have passed. It's connected to Samhain, an ancient Celtic tradition, which marks the end of the harvest season and celebrates the thinning veil between the physical and spiritual realms. Samhain, in particular, emphasizes the importance of honoring those who came before us. It's a time to remember that we are more than individuals. We are part of a larger legacy of wisdom, strength, and experiences. In numerology, November 1st carries the vibration of the master number 11, which is known for spiritual insight, illumination, and connection to higher realms. This number marks one of the most significant portals of the year, alongside August 8, the 8/8 Lion's Gate portal. When combined with the Scorpio new moon, this day becomes a powerful opportunity for us to tap into deeper parts of ourselves and gain clarity about our true path. Scorpio's energy is intense, transformative, and fearless. As a sign, Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, which symbolizes rebirth, endings, and transformation, and by Mars, the planet of action, courage, and intensity. Pluto is currently moving through the final degrees of Capricorn, closing a chapter that has spanned years of societal shifts, and Mars is in the late stages of Cancer. Together, they create an environment that is ripe for personal and collective change. Endings are on the horizon, but so are fresh starts, as Scorpio energy is all about cycles of life, death, and rebirth. Think of Scorpio energy as volcanic. It doesn't hold back. The new moon itself is a time for planting seeds, making this an ideal moment for us to set intentions about what we want to release and transform in our lives. Scorpio's influence encourages us to look within, to face our shadows and the hidden parts of our psyche that need healing, and to dive into emotional depths that we often avoid. With this Scorpio new moon, we are being asked to acknowledge what we might typically bury and use it as a catalyst for growth and rebirth. Scorpio is a water sign, and with this new moon in Scorpio, emotions are brought to the surface, sometimes with an intensity that might feel overwhelming. But this is a powerful invitation to look within and be honest with ourselves. You may feel a mix of emotions, or you might notice that things you thought were resolved are resurfacing. Scorpio energy is here to help us face and release these lingering feelings and situations. If you've been feeling unclear, foggy, or emotionally stirred over the last few weeks, this new moon is likely to bring clarity. Scorpio energy has a way of bringing hidden things to light. It's a great time to sit in reflection, journal, and pay attention to the messages your intuition is sending. Remember, the emotions that come up might feel intense, but they are here to guide you toward a more authentic version of yourself. Scorpio, as a water sign, is closely connected to emotions. During this new moon, those emotions might be heightened, especially if you're highly sensitive or empathic. Instead of seeing this sensitivity as a weakness, remember it's a strength. Sensitivity allows us to perceive deeper truths and connect with parts of ourselves that we might usually ignore. Pay attention to what your emotions are telling you. Every feeling, whether it's sadness, anger, or joy, holds valuable insights. By sitting with these emotions and asking what they're here to reveal, you open yourself to a profound level of self-discovery. Make space for these feelings to emerge, perhaps with a cup of tea or in a quiet, safe space, and ask yourself what each emotion is asking you to see or release. This is where transformation begins. During this Scorpio new moon, dreams may carry extra significance. Scorpio's water energy taps into our subconscious, making it an ideal time to receive messages and insights through dreams. In the dream state, we often access hidden parts of ourselves and connect with symbols that our waking mind might overlook. If you're having trouble remembering your dreams, try setting an intention before you go to bed to recall them, or keep a notebook by your bed. Many find that consistent dream journaling helps them remember dreams more vividly and find patterns in their subconscious messages. Use this time to look deeper into what your dreams might be telling you about what needs attention or transformation in your life. This new moon is also a great time to explore and deepen your psychic abilities. Activities like meditation, tarot, connecting with nature, or energy work, such as Reiki, are especially powerful during this time. Scorpio's influence opens the door to our intuitive side, so consider making these practices a part of your daily routine, even if only for a few minutes. Use this period to tune into your intuition and see what insights arise. Whether it's through guided meditation, quiet time in nature, or pull in a few tarot cards, take time to connect with the deeper wisdom within you. These practices not only help you understand yourself, but can also reveal hidden answers to questions you've been holding. One of the main messages of the Scorpio new moon is to let go of what no longer serves us. It's a time to take an honest look at your habits, routines, relations, and self-talk. Ask yourself if any of these are holding you back. Letting go isn't always easy, but this new moon is here to support you as you release toxicity and make space for healthier, more aligned choices. Take a moment to think about the life you truly want and ask yourself if there are any patterns that need to shift. Remember, Scorpio's energy is about endings and rebirths. What do you want to leave behind as you step into a new chapter? Finally, this new moon offers a beautiful opportunity to connect with your ancestors. All Saints' Day and Samhain are both about honoring those who came before us. Creating an altar, lighting a candle, or simply taking time to sit in quiet reflection can be powerful ways to feel connected to your lineage. When you honor your ancestors, you connect with their strength and wisdom. This practice can help you feel supported and remind you that you are part of a larger story. Take a moment to give thanks for the lives of those who came before you and for the gifts you carry because of them. Their love and guidance are with you, supporting you in your own journey. How are you feeling with this Scorpio new moon energy? Are you noticing new insights, heightened intuition, or emotional clarity? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and guidance to help you on your journey. Sending you light, love, and warmth as we navigate this transformative season together. See you in the next video.